An electron is projected with velocity v naught in uniform electric field E perpendicular to field. Again it is projected with velocity v naught perpendicular to uniform magnetic field. R1 is initial radius of curvature just after entering inside electric field, and R2 just after entering magnetic field. So what is ratio of R1 and R2? So see here, electric field is there. Suppose this is electric field. So perpendicular to this electric field, electrons enters. Perpendicular to field. So see here, if electron is there, so perpendicular to field, so one force will act. This force will act opposite to electric field, and the value of force will be E into E. Remember, इलेक्ट्रॉन पर जो फोर्स लगता है वो क्या लगता है बच्चों? F इज इक्वल टू क्यू ई, एंड क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन इज देयर तो नेगेटिव चार्ज, तो अपोजिट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन के अपोजिट, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन विल मूव लाइक दैट. तो व्हाट विल बी द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर? तो दिस E act as a centripetal force. तो E is equal to what happen? E is equal to किसके हो जाएगा बच्चों? mv स्क्वायर अपॉन रेडियस क्या है? रेडियस दे हैव गिवन r1. तो here you can say r1 is equal to mv naught square upon E. First equation. When it will enter inside the magnetic field, perpendicular to magnetic field. So see here, perpendicular to magnetic field. This is magnetic field, and a electron enters. So they will go the circular path. पढ़ा है, and radius of circular path for magnetic field. If electrons enter या charge enters perpendicular to magnetic field, so they are performing circular path, and circular path radius is equal to क्या होता है बच्चों? mv naught upon, तो here magnetic field is B, mv naught upon qb, तो q is equal to eb. तो r1, this is r2, so they want ratio r1 upon r2. तो divide it, mv naught square upon eb divided by mv naught upon eb. Sorry, this is ee. So ee cancel, cancel, here mv naught, so v naught square cancel. So what will be the answer? B will go up, so b v naught upon e. So which option will correct? D option. Remember, perpendicular to electric field, when charged particle enters, so one force will act. So this force E is equal to mv square upon r. Here when electron enters, here also one force will act. Force is equal to क्या होता है बच्चों? QVB sin theta. तो QVB, तो Q is equal to E here, that is equal to किसके होता है बच्चों? वही सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स यानी mv स्क्वायर अपॉन r. तो यहाँ से अगर देखोगे ध्यान से तो v नॉट कैंसिल, तो r2 इज इक्वल टू किसके होता है? mv नॉट अपॉन eb. ये किस में हो गया? मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. तो दिस इज फॉर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड and this is for electric field. The ratio is equal to r1 upon r2 b v naught upon e. An electron having kinetic energy T moving in a circular orbit of radius r perpendicular to uniform magnetic field B. If kinetic energy is doubled, magnetic induction tripled, so what will be the radius? Radius will become how many times? Okay, so see here, what is the relation between radius and magnetic field induction. So R is equal to what? M V upon QB. So here Q charge, electron is there, so Q is equal to E. So this will be the relation of radius. So if we want to convert in kinetic energy form. So C convert in kinetic energy form. So half mv square is equal to kinetic energy T. Here you can see V square is equal to 2T upon M. So V is equal to what? Under root 2T upon M. So MV is equal to what? Put here. So M into 2T upon M. You can always put under root 2Tm. So MB you can write under root 2Tm upon EB. Or square root form, if you are writing the 2Tm upon E square B square. Here we can see M is fixed, E is fixed, 2 is fixed. So R proportional to under root T upon B square. So here what they have given, kinetic energy is doubled. Kinetic energy doubled and magnetic induction tripled. What will be the radius? The radius becomes how many times? Kinetic energy is doubled and it is tripled to 3 square. So that is, it becomes 2 upon 3 is 9 times. So under root 2 upon 9. And initial radius is R. It becomes under root 2 upon 9 R. So you can see here C option will be the correct one. Very simple. R is MV upon QB. Here EB. So here MV you will have to convert in the form of kinetic energy. तो एम वी इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2 ई एम होता है. ई काइनेटिक एनर्जी से अगर हम डिनोट करें या के डिनोट करें, यहाँ टी है कैपिटल टी, तो टी से डिनोट किया था अंडर रूट 2 टी एम यहाँ रखा. तो आर इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू अंडर रूट टी अपन वी स्क्वायर. काइनेटिक एनर्जी डबल, मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन ट्रिपल, तो इट बिकम्स अंडर रूट 2 upon 9 times. See, same current I is equal to 2A. In which branch 2 ampere flowing direction is same and they are kept in a uniform magnetic field. The magnetic field is 4T. Okay. What will be the force experienced by this wire frame? So see, it is very important. I have told you. Remember, if magnetic field is there and like that any wire, any shape, if force you want to find upon that, current is I. So what will be the force? F is equal to IB and effective length is direct from here to here. Remember, this length you have to take, AB. IBL, so here L is equal to what? AB. Direct length. So if you will go for the wire CAD, what will be the force? The force is equal to what? Force experienced by this wire. So suppose I have taken this F1, the F1 is equal to what? IB and this distance. Effective distance will be from C to D. So that is IB and L is what? Length of CD. L is here IBL. L mean L is equal to what? Length of CD. And length of CD they have given CD side 1 meter, तो length of CD, ठीक है, this is 1 meter. All sides they have given 1 meter, so length of CD mean 1 meter. Same if we'll go for the CED, this wire loop CED, here also effective force. So what will be the effective force? The F3, F2 I have taken CD, the F2 is also, it will come IBL, here L also CD. For CED if we'll take, this will also come, effective length will be this CD. So F3 also IB, and length is what? L is equal to CD, that is 1 meter. The total force, same direction current will be there. Okay, so what happen? The net force, any F1 plus F2 plus F3, so all are IBL plus IBL plus IBL. Here L mean this effective length, CD mean 1 meter. So this is 3. I they have given 2 ampere, B they have given 4 Tesla, and L effective length 1 meter. So total will be 3 to just, that is 24 Newton. The force acting upon this frame is 24 Newton. So remember this, if a wire is kept perpendicular to magnetic field, it experience force IBL. Direction you can give by Fleming's left hand rule, but the magnitude will be IBL. L will be the effective length from starting to end. So remember this. Here option will be 24 Newton, mean A option is the correct one. See, one question is there, equal current I is flowing from A to B. Here current is flowing ACB, here current is flowing downward ADB. What will be the magnetic field? Radius they have given A. What will be the magnetic field at the center? So see, what we have told by arc, if angle is theta, what will be the magnetic field? If current is I, so what will be the magnetic field? Formula we have given, B is equal to theta upon 2 pi mu naught I upon 2, radius is A, so radius is A. So this is formula for current. Circular part is there, any arc of circle is there, so theta upon 2 pi, theta is angle made by arc at the center, mu naught I upon 2a. To see, and direction is given by Fleming's right hand rule. So what happen if thumb, so direction any, here we can see anti-clockwise, so that will be the upward, perpendicular to this pole, upward. Okay. And if clockwise is there, clockwise, so what will be the direction? You can say this is upward mean, outward, it will be better. Here outward, and clockwise, so this will inward. So here one is clockwise, ACB, here ADB anti-clockwise, so clockwise. So what will be the direction? This direction will be inward, and for anti-clock ADB direction will be outward, mean both are opposite direction. So by ACB, to see here, due to current element ACB, suppose this is B1, so what will be the angle formed by this? This is theta, so this angle is 2 pi minus theta. So 2 pi minus theta upon 2 pi mu naught I upon 2a. एंड डायरेक्शन कैसा होगा बच्चों, क्लॉकवाइज, तो इनवर्ड, परपेंडिकुलर टू प्लेन, परपेंडिकुलर टू प्लेन क्या होगा, इनवर्ड. एंड ड्यू टू करंट एलिमेंट ADB, what happened, B2, तो B2 will be angle formed theta, तो theta upon 2 pi mu naught, current is same, radius is same. ये कैसा होगा बच्चों, this is outward perpendicular to plane. तो both are opposite direction, तो net field B is equal to what, B1 minus B2. B1 will be greater because this element current length is more, तो B1 minus B2 mean 2 pi minus theta upon 2 pi mu naught I upon 2a minus theta upon 2 pi mu naught I upon 2a. Mu naught I upon 2a we have taken common, so 2 pi minus theta upon 2 pi minus theta upon 2 pi. So this will come mu naught I upon 2a, 2 pi, so 2 pi minus 2 theta. So 2 cancel, so it will come pi minus theta upon pi mu naught I upon 2a. एंड डायरेक्शन कैसा होगा बच्चों, इनवर्ड मोर है, तो डायरेक्शन इज इनवर्ड. विच ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट, हियर वी कैन सी B option is the correct one.